Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to my super messy kitchen. This is what happens when you haven't been able to be in here for at least 3 days. Haven't been very well last week, so the rest of the household still was fed and looked after by hubby. Thank you so much. But for the majority of the cleaning and the organising, I said just leave it because it'll make a great YouTube video, and then also it will give me something to do when I need to clean the kitchen and give me the motivation to get up and do it. So that's what I'm doing today. There's a whole lot of stuff here left over from some cooking that I did, and then some other video stuff I was planning on doing, and then last week I got unwell and I couldn't really do anything for about 3 days. So this is the aftermath, and also, as you guys probably have seen in other videos, the dumping ground of everything. And so yeah, just tidying up what I can, and we'll get it to be as functionable as possible. Don't always have to worry about everything looking perfect, but at least if it's functionable and you've got some bench space, then it works well. First up, we're cleaning this area because I need it to be able to film a couple of YouTube videos. So I need it to look good, and yeah, then we'll clean the rest of it. So welcome to the evening. In true transparency, that is all I got cleaned in the morning, because then I had to spend all the afternoon filming YouTube videos, and I'm going to do a little bit of a behind the scenes tour of how everything fit into my day / week, because people are like, how do you put everything together? I'm like, okay, I'll take you behind the scenes. So you will literally see me cleaning and then moving into other things. So that's also why I share, because, you know, life happens and people have this grand illusion on social media that everything is perfect and people get everything done, and it's just not what happens. So that's why I post what I post. And yeah, sometimes it's embarrassing, but guess what? I'm told that it helps other people, and there used to be nothing like this around when I was first looking for some motivation and stuff. So that's why I post, hoping that I'm able to motivate and inspire other people. Let me know how you have your kitchen run. I know that previously some people have gone to me, oh my God, I would pass out if I was in your kitchen. Because they are super organized people, and I love that they are, because we are all different in the world, aren't we? So yeah, let me know down below how your kitchen runs, if you do the dishes regularly, if you let everything pile up, or how does it go? I, of course, am listening to some music as I go, because the camera that I'm recording this on is the one of my phones that has the app for the audiobook that I usually listen to, and I can't record and listen to an audiobook at the same time. So I'm listening to music also to help rev me up and get me motivated to clean and keep me moving faster. Of course, keep having a little dance party in between. So we are nearly finished for the evening. I just spent a little bit of time wiping down the benches and just moving stuff around and pretending to line it all up and keep it organized in between having a little dance party. But this is the reality of what happened, and I had full intention plans to come back the next day and show you putting away the dishes and then having clean empty spots, but it just didn't happen, and you'll probably see about that in my next behind the scenes video. Because again, I wanted to go show you guys real life. This is what happens. I didn't get around to it. I got busy doing other work. And so yeah, even if you just get a little bit done, I've got some bench space. I managed to get dinner ready. I managed to get all the things done that I needed to do, and now the dishes are drying, so tomorrow's job will be to put them away. But yeah, I won't be recording that because this video will be up, done and dusted. But I so appreciate you being along today with me. I hope that you were able to get something clean while you watched. And yes, if you don't laugh, you'll cry, because yeah, life is busy. What can I say? Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.